Hi everyone, it's Morgan
and Jess,
and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of all the goodies that we grabbed while we were at Creativation.
We have a giant box here, 43 pounds of craft supplies, and we're going to rip into it and show you what we got. All right, so first we have a lot of totes. So just cycle through some totes.
And then this is a tote, but I'm pretty sure there's stuff in here. Oh yeah, there is.
Yeah, some totes we used to package stuff.
So we have a bunch of products. That one cannot be shown because that's a little secret. But these are some products from Betty's Bits and Bops. And there are, oh, that's your junk journal.
This is a junk journal. I started with it. We took it as a class.
So similar to House of Books, I would say. Next in the bag, we have a bunch of Jess's pens and markers that she got to test out.
I actually won a set of markers. Actually, we've won a few sets of markers. This one's from Ohuhu, and it's some alcohol markers, so I was excited about that.
And then I'm pretty sure this is Jess's, but we did a little, what was that called? Journal thing?
Yeah.
Where's your page? Is it stuck? There we go. And this is a page Jess created.
We got some detail and liner paintbrushes.
And also some watercolors.
We got this whole set of glitter markers, and these actually worked really well. I was excited about these. These are from Grabby. And if you see anything that you like or you think that we should bring into our shop, let us know, because a lot of this is brand new for us, so we haven't tried it yet.
Okay, and then I also pulled out another tote bag, and inside this was a mini tote bag with a bunch of journals that we also got. So, I don't even know. Look at all these 3 different journals here. This one, which is handmade, and then also the journal that I created with, and this was the page that I did.
Here it is.
Is it in here? Yeah.
So it's a painting of the arch.
Mine's a hot air balloon. Next we have, oh, this was my badge. You wear a badge to get around. You add some fun things to it. And then a bunch of pins from all the companies. Next we have some, what are these? Paints? Yeah, different kinds of paints. So there's watercolor, acrylic, and oil paints in here. Rhinestone wax positioner stick.
Some roasted and salted cherries, berries, and nuts. Because next year we're going to Grand Rapids.
Some scissors.
There's a lot of different things in here. A lot of it is junk journal stuff. Let's see here.
I have some Olo blending card papers.
This I thought was super cool. It's some little 2x2 fabric squares. I thought this would be perfect for junk journaling, and they're really pretty different fabrics.
Some more of these same watercolor, oil, and acrylic paints.
We have, this one's the junk journal that Morgan started.
And then one of the kits from the Simon Hurley card making class. So there's some Stellar ink, solar paste, and some tools in here.
I actually took a jewelry making class, which was really fun, and I still have to finish my project. This is what I got started with, and it still has more things that it needs. It's supposed to finish looking more like this.
Next, we have some of the Dilutions and Dina Wakely mediums. So we have sprays in here, and then paints, glosses, glue, whatnot in this bag. So some fun neon colors and some other colors over here.
We got a bunch of little stamps from Paper Artsy because I took a class with Seth after. The class was really fun. I'll show you what I made somewhere in here. But yeah, the class was a lot of fun, and look at all these little stamps we got. So it was just building backgrounds.
Felt kits. Look how cute they are. And they come with a video tutorial.
Got a sample of art glitter. I've heard about this glue a bit, but have never tried it, so I'm gonna give it a try. I also got some little fabric squares. A stamp for Creativation in St. Louis. Let's see, this was a laser cut, I don't know, like little metal emblem. So maybe that'll end up in a junk journal. Actually, this baggie here is things that I was planning on keeping for junk journal. So I got a lot of stickers, like bag pieces. I have our metro ticket and boarding pass for the plane. So yeah, a bunch of junk journaling things in here from the trip.
Here are 2 Simon Hurley cards that we created in our class. This is using his new collection.
Beginner carving kit. This is from Beavercraft. So in here is, let's see. So instructions for carving this bird. It has a knife and a couple blocks of wood and some other things that you need for carving. So that's cool.
I have the project that we created in our Dilutions class with Diane, and so this is the front. We basically just worked on making a bunch of different backgrounds in this class and then kind of putting them together. So I still need to finish this, but that's that so far.
Was mine in there?
Yep, right here.
Yay. I added some more pages, and then I also started, they're not stuck in yet, but coloring these stamped heads. So they're really playful and bright, a little crazy. So I still have to finish them.
Wow, we got so much.
I know.
I feel like it's just never ending. There's still a lot in here.
We were really excited about this one. We both got a Dina Wakely Media Journal. This is for watercoloring and mixed media. The pages are really nice.
Oh, this is here. This is your other one.
And this is what we did in the Dina Wakely class. This is really cool because look, this pops out and all of these little tags can pop out. And then also in here is where I put my pages I made in the Seth Apter class. So really cool background. I was gonna glue them in this journal.
We got like 4 different journals of this brand.
Lectrum 1917.
So we got a few of those. Actually, we both got one with personalized like foil engraving in it. And then we got one on one of our other classes.
I also actually won a prize. There was a Product Palooza where they pulled different winners, and I actually won some lino cutting set. So this is part of it, but there's also paper and ink and some other things in there as well.
And then these are the paints that Jess used in her Paper Artsy Seth Apter class.
This is also part of the lino set. So a roller. This was also part of the Paper Artsy, used that color. And then we got some different stencils. These from Dina.
Next, we have the Glassboard Studio board. So these are magnetic. They're wonderful.
Yeah, let
Loved working with
us know if you'd be interested in them. We got some canvas panels and what are these? Some catalogs.
Yeah.
So let's see. Oh, I got some jam from a restaurant. This is also part of my lino cutting kit.
This is another Glassboard Studio glass piece.
We got some sentiment transparent stickers. This is from Studio Light. I really like transparent stickers. That's what's on there. Got some rhinestones, some more art glitter glue.
These are from Studio Light, so there's a die cut designer paper pad and a card making paper pad, and these come with a bunch of, like the card making one has a bunch of pre-cut pieces to make easy cards, and then this one comes with a variety of other pieces as well.
Here's another one of those Electrum 1917 journal. This is one that we got stamped with some foil. I have a doggie I'm ignoring, so she's upset. She's being ignored, so she might just watch Morgan for the next one.
Oh, this we got from Grabby. We both won a giveaway with them, and so this was one of the prizes. And it has a bunch of like coloring pages and whatnot in there. And then we also got a Ciao Bella fussy cut junk journal book.
So this is another one of the journals from August Ellery, so really pretty. Let's see, oh, and this card is from them also. Got the Gearheads Workshop. This is from Studio Light. So we got stickers and some laser cuts in here.
We have this pack of construction paper.
Another catalog. This is from Folia. A brayer. We have one of the Ranger mats, just a brown mat. A couple of rulers, and we're coming to the bottom here.
Lastly,
Last two things.
we have these huge kits from, I think it's
And we
Hinny.
each got one.
Yeah, we each got one. There's a bunch of like paints in these. I'm pretty sure there's probably a few brushes.
Should we open one of them?
Oh, it says right here. Gouache paint, acrylic paint, watercolor paint, paintbrush, product handbook, and coloring postcard.
Ooh. Okay. Open. And, ooh.
Ooh.
So it's like ready to use, some samples, something you can draw on. Let's see. Ooh.
Wow, fancy.
It is fancy. Okay. So I'm sure about the products and what they have. This palette of watercolors, it looks like. That's an interesting way to have a palette.
That is.
That's cool.
That is cool.
I gotta put it down here. Let's see. In here we have, some papers.
These look like some.
Cute.
Yeah, alcohol markers. And there's 6 different of those, and then the primary colors of gouache and primary colors, 2 different tones of primary colors actually, of acrylic.
Cute. And that's from Jaime.
So that is everything that we just unboxed. We have so much product here from all the different manufacturers. We are so grateful for all of our relationships with them, and we want to know what you think we should bring in. So if there's anything that caught your eye, please let us know, and we will talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.